Hey guys, how y'all doing on this beautiful Monday afternoon out here in Pace, Florida again? I might as well live out here, right? This is Ashley Plantation. See back there behind me? There's someone else's fence, and right here is what we've been on today. Ooh, you getting the shot? Yeah, you are. This will probably be the intro to the video. Actor in my movie.
Oh, yeah?
Bench cam.
That's right.
Playing tractor. Real bad. Gets up. We got as much set as we could set. We're working around some pool guys and some landscaper guys over on the other side of the yard. Get a shot of the front here. This is the end of the day wrap up. Ooh. Get to come in tomorrow. Already got my double drive gate framed up. And then we already got pickets all down the outside of that one of the longest runs. Then we just got to finish up our other side. We've got like six or so posts over there that are not set on the other side. I'll show you, to allow them room to do their dirt work. Shot of the slurp. Getting the shot of the slurp. We're getting all wrapped up now to go back home. Wrapped up? Wrapping. We're wrapping it up. I'll give you a shot of this this pool over here. This is an install by Robert's Pools. I'm gonna make sure to get their phone number. I don't know if any of them's here. So I might not. Yeah, I don't think they're here anymore. I may not be able to get it in this video, but in the video for tomorrow, I'll try to get their phone number if anybody's interested in having a pool done. See their pool? It's not a big one, but you know, there's pretty small lots over here. Ooh, I'd be proud of it. Looks nice. It got warm enough today, I wouldn't mind getting in it. Show you over here on this side. See down this run. I just got like 2 or 3 posts down this side. And I've got my corner way back down there. First thing tomorrow, we'll be able to come in and tie across and set my last couple posts that way. But we're just leaving it open for them right now so they can, that way they can get all their dirt pushed around back in across here. This was a big mess earlier today. I got some footage of that I'll show you. Look at them dumping. But this is going to be, they're going to come in with their little machine and move a bunch of dirt around over here and get it pulled up to the to that concrete there on the pool deck, and then we'll be able to come back in with our post. We're just leaving them a big space there, that way they got lots of room to work that dirt back and forth. But look at the pool though. Gotta get a shot of the pool. Looks inviting. Yeah, it's warm enough. I wouldn't mind getting in there. See, here's the bottom of that hill. Bottom of the hill. Won't be very long tomorrow to get the rest of those posts put in. That's why we got to get so far on this other side with everything railed and the gate. Stop to put some air in the tire. These employees real bad do not want to pick this up when they open the door. My goodness. Look at them. Like, pick up, no. The fancy pant car for my move.